Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with Simple Listening Practice. I'm Ronald.
And I'm Stephanie. We are very happy you are here today. If you want to understand daily English better, you are in the right place.
Yes, today we will practice simple English for daily life. We will listen, talk, and repeat together.
This episode is long and relaxing. You can listen while you walk, cook, or rest. Just enjoy English.
And if you like learning with us, please follow and subscribe. It really helps us.
Ready to begin?
Let's start. Daily Life English Practice. Topic 1. Morning Routine.
Stephanie, what time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. every day.
Nice. Listeners, listen. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Now you say it. What time do you wake up?
Good job. Ronald, what is the first thing you do? The first thing I do is drink water.
Great sentence. Listen again. The first thing I do is drink water.
Your turn. The first thing I do is...
Maybe you say, brush my teeth, check my phone, or make tea.
All are correct. Good practice. Ronald, what do you eat for breakfast?
My quick breakfast is a banana and toast.
Nice and simple. Listeners, repeat. My quick breakfast is a banana.
Or my breakfast is eggs and bread.
Yes, keep it easy. Topic 2. Getting ready.
Stephanie, what do you do after breakfast? I take a shower and get dressed.
Good daily phrase. Get dressed.
Yes. Example, I get dressed at 7:30.
Listeners, repeat. I get dressed. Ronald, do you choose clothes fast or slow? Fast. I choose clothes fast.
Good. Another sentence, I choose clothes fast.
Or I choose clothes slowly.
Both are useful.
Topic 3. Leaving home.
Stephanie, what time do you leave home? I leave home at 8 a.m. Listen, I leave home at 8 a.m.
Your turn. I leave home at...
Maybe 7, 9, or 10. All good.
Ronald, how do you go to work?
I go to work by bus.
Good phrase. By bus.
Also by car, by train, by bike, on foot.
Example, I go by bike.
Repeat. I go by bike.
Topic 4. At work/study.
Stephanie, what do you do at work? I answer emails and talk to people.
Good verbs. Answer, talk.
Listeners, repeat. I answer emails.
And I talk to people.
Ronald, do you drink coffee at work?
Yes, I drink coffee every day.
Repeat. I drink coffee every day.
Or tea or water.
Yes, choose your word.
Topic 5. Lunchtime.
Ronald, what do you eat for lunch?
I eat rice and vegetables.
Nice. Listeners, I eat rice and vegetables.
Or noodles, salad, chicken, bread.
Ronald, where do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch at my desk.
Example, I eat lunch at my desk.
Or at home, at school, in a cafe.
All good English.
Topic 6. Afternoon activities.
Stephanie, are you busy in the afternoon? Yes, I am busy in the afternoon.
Repeat. I am busy.
Or, I am free.
Ronald, what do you do when you're free? I read or listen to music.
Nice verbs. Read, listen.
Listeners, I listen to music.
Or, I read a book.
Topic 7. Going home.
Stephanie, what time do you go home? I go home at 6 p.m.
Repeat. I go home at 6 p.m. Stephanie, are you tired after work?
Yes, I am tired.
Important word. Tired.
Listeners, I am tired.
Or, I am not tired. Topic 8. Evening routine.
Stephanie, what do you do in the evening?
I cook dinner and watch TV.
Good verbs. Cook, watch.
Listeners, I cook dinner.
And I watch TV.
Stephanie, do you use your phone at night?
Yes, I check my phone.
Repeat. I check my phone. Topic 9. Dinner.
Stephanie, what do you eat for dinner?
I eat soup and bread.
Listeners, I eat soup.
Stephanie, do you cook every day?
No, I cook sometimes.
Word sometimes.
Also, always, often, never.
Example, I often cook.
Repeat. I often cook.
Topic 10, night.
Stephanie, what do you do before bed?
I brush my teeth and read.
Listeners, I brush my teeth.
And I read.
Stephanie, what time do you sleep?
I sleep at 11.
Repeat. I sleep at 11.
Or 10, 12, 9. Listen again. Full daily story.
Stephanie, now listen to Ronald's full day.
I wake up at 7. I drink water. I eat a banana. I get dressed. I leave home at 8. I go by bus. I answer emails. I drink coffee. I eat lunch at my desk. I go home at 6. I cook dinner. I watch TV. I brush my teeth. I sleep at 11.
Great job listening.
Now you try. Say your day.
Yes, speak slowly. That is perfect practice.
Extra practice conversations.
Stephanie, do you like mornings?
Yes, I like mornings.
Why?
Because mornings are quiet.
Nice word. Quiet.
Do you like mornings?
No, I like evenings.
Why?
Evenings are relaxing.
Good adjective. Relaxing. Stephanie, do you cook well?
No, I cook badly.
Honest answer.
Do you cook well?
Yes, I cook well.
What do you cook?
I cook pasta and rice.
Stephanie, do you exercise?
Yes, I walk every day.
Listeners, I walk every day.
Do you exercise?
Sometimes. I do yoga.
Nice. I do yoga. Topic 11. Shopping.
Stephanie, do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping.
Where do you shop?
I shop at the market.
Listeners, repeat. I shop at the market.
Or supermarket, mall, small shop.
Stephanie, what do you buy often?
I buy fruit and bread.
Repeat. I buy fruit.
And I buy bread.
Good job.
Topic 12. Prices.
Stephanie, is fruit cheap or expensive?
Fruit is sometimes expensive.
Word, expensive.
Opposite, cheap.
Example, this is cheap.
And this is expensive.
Listeners, repeat both.
Topic 13. At a shop dialogue.
Stephanie, listen to a short shop talk.
Hello.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I want apples.
How many?
6 apples, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now listen again.
Hello, I want apples. 6 apples, please.
Excellent listening.
Topic 14. Friends.
Stephanie, do you meet friends often?
Yes, I meet friends on weekends.
Repeat. I meet friends.
When do you meet friends?
On Saturday.
Listeners, on Saturday. Topic 15. Making plans.
Stephanie, are you free tonight?
Yes, I'm free.
Let's eat dinner together.
Good idea.
Listeners, repeat. Are you free?
And let's eat dinner. Topic 16. Weather.
Stephanie, how is the weather today?
It is hot.
Or cold, warm, rainy, windy.
Listeners, it is hot.
And it is rainy.
Topic 17. Clothes and weather.
Stephanie, what do you wear when it is cold?
I wear a jacket.
Repeat. I wear a jacket.
And when it is hot, I wear a t-shirt.
Listeners, I wear a t-shirt.
Topic 18. Travel.
Stephanie, do you like travel?
Yes, I like travel.
Where do you go?
I go to the beach.
Repeat. I go to the beach.
Or mountains, city, village. Topic 19. Directions.
Stephanie, where is the station?
It is near the bank.
Word, near.
Opposite, far.
Listeners, it is near.
And it is far. Topic 20. Health.
Stephanie, are you sick today?
No, I'm fine.
Word, sick.
Opposite, healthy.
Listeners, I am fine.
And I am sick. Listen again. Daily plus social life.
Stephanie, Now listen to Ronald's day with extra life.
I wake up at 7. I go to work. I buy fruit. I meet friends on Saturday. I wear a jacket when it is cold. I go to the beach on holiday. I am fine today.
Now you say your day.
Speak slowly. You are doing great. Extra mini dialogues.
Stephanie, do you like tea or coffee?
I like tea.
I like coffee.
Good practice. I like.
Stephanie, are you busy tomorrow?
No, I'm free.
Let's meet.
Yes, let's meet.
Stephanie, how is the weather?
It is sunny.
Nice day.
Yes, nice day.
Wrap up, recap, and community question.
Today, we practiced daily English. Wake up, eat, work, go home, sleep.
You listened and repeated. That is real progress.
You are improving already. Keep going.
Now, our question for you.
What time do you wake up?
Tell us in the comments, what time do you wake up?
We love hearing from you.
See you next time.
Bye.